goals this year is to not buy any new clothes because I just have so many and I need to go through them and figure out what to get rid of. Today we are going with dresses I have never worn out in public. I am actually at a loss for words why I've never worn this dress out. Do you see all these little details? This is adorable. Absolutely keeping this. Like this is doing nothing for me, but I feel like it's kind of cute, so maybe I'll just try and like DIY this. I love the concept of this, like the little rhinestones, and then the material's really comfy and stretchy. But I know I haven't worn this because the second I start walking, this starts riding up in the back, and I am not someone who likes to have my butt out in public, so I think I have to give this one away. I really like the bottom of this dress, and the sleeves I actually do like too, but I think this part I want to be sheer or something. Maybe I should just learn how to sew my own clothes so I can fix all these, but I think this is gonna be a giveaway. I think similarly, the top of this is also just too conservative for my style. It's giving like Mormon mom talk, and that's not really me. I do like the bottom, it twirls really pretty, so I wish I could convert this into like a tank top dress. I don't know, maybe like this feels like a sign that I should really be learning how to alter my own clothes, but for now this is a giveaway. I think I'll keep this dress in case I end up getting a job and need to go into an office. I feel like this is kind of a good corporate, still professional, but it's cute. Could wear it with boots, winter, spring. It's a good dress. I am absolutely keeping this dress. I have so many other formal dresses that I wear to like weddings and events, so I feel like I just haven't had the right occasion to wear this. But I am obsessed with this dress and I will absolutely be keeping it. I'm 100% keeping this, don't worry. But I am curious, where does one wear something like this? Like it feels a little bit too short to wear out to like a nice dinner. And I don't really go out like clubbing or anything like that. Like a birthday, maybe? I don't know, I think this dress is so cute. I think I originally got this thinking I would wear it in the cold months, but I have not worn it and I don't think I will. So for that reason, I should probably get rid of it. It's cute when you put like a bow and you accessorize and everything, but I just have better dresses that I always reach for. This is another dress that I'm like, wow, so cute, but where are we wearing this? Where am I going in this? It's another day, another closet clean out, and we're gonna go through day dresses. And all I mean by that is that these are the dresses I literally throw on in the morning and I can wear them all day long, do all my chores, do all my errands, and still feel cute. This is everything I love in a dress. It has the off-the-shoulder puffy sleeves, the skirt twirls, the color is gorgeous. Obviously, I'm keeping this. A fun fact about this dress, my dad actually bought this for my mom, I think for their first anniversary. So this dress is very sentimental and I am definitely not giving it away. We're keeping this. This dress actually belonged to my mom once upon a time and she gave it to me when she outgrew it, but I don't feel like it fits quite right. I've tried to pin it in a few places, but I still don't think this is quite right. This dress has pockets. I don't even feel like we need to discuss. This is a keep. This dress is so comfortable I could honestly sleep in it, and I love the bows, and we are obviously keeping it. This dress is cute, but I don't really reach for it ever, and so I think I should let it go. I sort of forgot I had this dress, but I love it. This is another dress I could sleep in. So comfortable, so breezy. Absolutely have to keep this. The slit on this dress has me a little bit nervous, but it's very cute and it's very comfortable. And my husband loves it, so I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, I'm only getting rid of 2 dresses from this batch, which I kind of anticipated would happen. I think the next round of closet clean out, I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot more dresses, so that's okay that we're keeping most of these. Okay, today's gonna be kind of a big one, so buckle in. I think I'm gonna shock some of you guys when I say, I don't think I'm gonna keep this dress. I know this is technically a romper, but I am counting it. I wore it for my bridal shower back in 2017. It's sentimental and I still think it's stunning. The amount of compliments I get on this dress every time I wear it is unreal. This is easily one of my favorite dresses I own. I like this dress, but I don't love this dress, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I do like this, but I never ever reach for it, even though it's really cute, and I feel like by that alone I should get rid of it. I've never understood why people don't like yellow. I think this is one of the prettiest colors to wear. Obviously, you guys know I'm not getting rid of this. This dress is very classy and I do love the color, but I actually have another velvet dress I like a little bit more, so I feel like I should get rid of this. I mean, come on, this is like so clearly the winner. Easily a keep. Can you tell I'm into open backs? I thrifted this dress so long ago, and I can see why I bought it, but it's not really for me now. This probably should have gone in the day dress clean out, but I'm still keeping it. I still love this dress. This is a very strong yes. These are both honorable mentions. They are unfortunately both very see-through, and so I'm going to have to get rid of them. I did love this one. I had very high hopes for this, but it's just not gonna work. Okay, 7 giveaways, not bad. Feeling pretty good about this one. Okay, that's all I can handle for one day, so tomorrow we will go through tops. It's sweater day, and I honestly might get rid of all of these. This is the one exception. I do love this sweater. Is this a cute sweater? Sure. Did I wear this once this year? No. But I feel like I cannot get rid of literally every sweater. I'll probably keep this. I'm pretty sure the last time I wore this was South Korea 2019, so she's gotta go. This sweater is definitely the closest to my current style. She's pretty cute. Maybe I'll keep her. I do love this Lord of the Rings Christmas sweater. Never wear it. This sweater's pretty fun. I think I'll keep this too. I despise this with jeans, but I normally wear this with my skirt and a harness, and then it's cute, so keeping this. I just feel like sweaters do nothing for me, and I always look frumpy. No. No but Christmas. It's giving nothing. Every year I try to convince myself I actually love this sweater because I do love the mushrooms, but the shape does nothing for me. So sadly, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm keeping 5 sweaters, which is more than I thought I would, and I'm getting rid of 9. Happy shirt day. I love the details on this shirt, definitely keeping. This shirt on its own is nothing special, but this is why styling is so important because now it's one of my favorite shirts I own. If you don't have a corset, this is your sign to get one. I thrifted this button down years ago and I still love it, so keeping. I'm not normally a t-shirt girl, but you know I love open backs and we're keeping it. This is probably one of the prettiest things I own. Keeping. In the summer, this linen shirt is a godsend. Keeping. This type of shirt really just calls to me. I love. When I go shopping, I honestly am always looking for something that makes me stand out and is kind of unique, and this shirt definitely does that. The back is so cute, but the front, it's just the wrong size for me, so I'm gonna get rid of this. This is cute, but it makes me feel a little like I'm going on safari. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, I'm definitely getting 90s mom vibes, but kind of in the best way. I'm gonna keep this. It's pretty, but I feel like it's too close to my skin tone, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I think I've aged out of this style, so I'm gonna get rid of this. 2016 Jen was obsessed with this shirt. I haven't worn it maybe since then, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This shirt is in dire need of ironing, but aside from that, I love it and I'm keeping it. All right, we are getting rid of 8 shirts today and I feel pretty good about that. It's skirt day. This is definitely my most worn skirt. I just think it's really classy. It's perfect for winter. Definitely keeping. I adore this skirt, but I don't think I've worn it in years. It is a little bit tight in the waist, so I think I should give it away. This skirt is so cute for spring. Obviously, I would wear a different shirt with it, but I'm definitely keeping this. I think ballet core is so cute. I don't wear this that often, but I'm gonna keep it. I think it's a good staple. This is technically a skirt, but I honestly think it is such a staple. I wear it all the freaking time. So cute with tights. Absolutely keeping. I've heard leopard print is having a comeback, which is perfect because I love this skirt. I never wear this because I always just wear a skirt instead. I think it's time to let it go. I want to keep this so bad because it's a skirt, but I just don't wear brown ever. I think I gotta let it go. Again, I really want to keep this. I think it's so cute, but I don't wear brown. In theory, I love this. I feel like this part makes me feel wide though, so I'm gonna get rid of this. The skirt is so cute. I love polka dots and I'm keeping it. This is the exact same skirt, but for some reason I bought this in a size smaller and I feel like it looks better. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, this was a good one. I'm getting rid of 5 skirts. It's still a bit cold out, but let's go through shorts. These are my favorite pair of shorts. They hit it just the right spot and I love the wash. Keeping. I think these come up just a little too high and they are so stiff. I'm gonna give these away. Overalls are always an automatic yes. I need to iron these, but then they're so cute. Definitely keeping. I like these, but I don't love them and I don't really wear leather, so I'll get rid of them. This is another pair of shorts I love and I'm keeping. Okay, I forgot to include these in the skirt video. These are skirts. Definitely keeping this. Okay, this is another one of my favorite wardrobe pieces. It's a skirt. It's so cute and it just goes with everything. Keeping. Getting rid of 3 pairs of shorts, which isn't terrible because I live in Atlanta where it is so hot and I wear shorts all the time. shoe day. Some of these are gonna look insane with this outfit, but we're rolling with it. Starting strong with these boots I bought for my Taylor Swift The Man costume for Halloween. They're so fun, I'm keeping them. These are the heels I wear anytime I'm filming dress content. Look how cute the little bows are. Okay, these are the heels I'll actually wear out. The heel is so much shorter, and my husband and I are the same height, and so I don't wear super high heels, plus they're super uncomfortable. I actually bought these for the Wes Anderson movie premiere I went to last year, so I stomped around New York in these, and they were fine. I'm like not sure if you guys can see the shoes from back there, but this is them. When I bought these, I thought they were so cute because they have the little bow, but I honestly never wear them, and they make a really weird clopping sound. I don't know. I don't really wear these. They're really cute, but I'm gonna give them away. Here's a little close-up. Okay, so these are the shoes I wore to the Eras tour, and they are so cute, but I probably will never wear them again, so I'm gonna try and sell these. I do love the clear. I don't know if that's outdated now, but I'm keeping these. I feel like this shoe looks so weird on my foot, and so I am getting rid of these. These are like super fun though. Okay, these are another kitten heel I love. I think they're so cute with tights. Definitely keeping these. I have had these for years, and I refuse to get rid of them. They're so cute, and I honestly have not really seen heels like this. These boots are not really my style. I don't think I've ever worn them with an outfit, so I'm gonna give them away. I wish these boots were like 4 inches longer because then I think I would wear them all the time. I just don't really wear these, so I'll give them away. The color is stunning though. This looks obscene. This is another pair of boots that I don't wear that often, but when the time is right, they are so good. Have to keep these. Now these are my absolute favorite pair of boots. I always get questions about these because they have a really cute square toe. Perfect heel height, the lace-up boot, so cute. These go with so many of my clothes, definitely keeping. These are just like the black boots, but in navy. I just don't wear that much navy, so I don't know if I should keep them. Also, my essential shoes, like I have a pair of Keds I wear all the time, and my like running sneakers, those are all downstairs because they're not even on the chopping block. Okay, that concludes the closet clean out, unless you guys want to see all of my formal dresses, but I didn't show those because I'm not going to get rid of any. I'm obsessed with all of them.